In this video, we're going to talk about WordPress. So what is WordPress? Well, WordPress is an easy-to-use and powerful CMS or content management system. In other words, it's a tool used to create blog sites and websites. As of today, WordPress remains one of the most popular software in making blogs and websites, simply because it's easy to use and it's powerful. Who uses WordPress? Well, we have famous blogs like TechCrunch. That blog site uses WordPress. Well, companies like Glad, or the company that makes trash bags and plastics, Vogue, a popular magazine company, and of course many more. We also have establishments and famous personalities and celebrities. Of course, that would include artists, politicians, and the like. You can also check out the WordPress site showcase at www.wordpress.org/showcase for a list of those websites who have been, well, featured in WordPress. Now you might be asking yourself, or you might be asking us, how to get WordPress? How do I get WordPress? Well, there are two ways. First of which is to download it from wordpress.org. This is the version that you can install on your own blog site or website. So if you already have an existing website, this is one that you can use. Or if you don't have a website yet, or if you don't have any hosting accounts or domain names, well, you can use the hosted service at wordpress.com. In here, you just need to sign up. There's no need to purchase hosting or register a domain name. And remember, WordPress is 100% free. That's right, it's free. So you can get yours now and start building your awesome website.